ladies and gentlemen. When we were putting this together, I would say up until yesterday, I didn't quite know what to expect. But whatever it is, whatever my expectations were, being exceeded grossly. So I would say I'm one very, very happy and very proud chairman of the board today. And thanks to Frank and the team for an amazing job they've done. I'd like to read my address, if you don't mind. And I would like to start by recognizing the minister, who is unavoidably absent, but represented by the Director General of the Ministry. Of course, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, partners and ecosystem players. And as we say in Nigeria, we say all protocols observed. In fact, the Nigerian twist to that say all protocols duly observed. I thought it was a Nigerian thing until I started hearing it in South Africa. I think I had it in Nairobi as well, so it's becoming African. But it's definitely my pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to you all on behalf of the board of AVPA. Your decision to join us here today demonstrates your commitment to creating a positive and sustainable change in Africa. Thank you for joining the AVPA network and for becoming part of this vibrant community of change makers. We are excited to embark on this journey with you as we work towards a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous Africa. AVPA is driven by a powerful vision to unlock Africa's impact potential by providing impact investors with necessary tools, resources, connections, and expertise to mobilize and deploy resources for maximum impact. As a member of this network, you are joining a community of exceptional individuals and organizations who share a common purpose and desire of seeing and building a better Africa. By leveraging our collective knowledge, networks, and resources, we can drive innovation, foster entrepreneurship, and create meaningful and lasting social impact across Africa. AVPA membership serves as a platform for collaboration and learning, enabling us to maximize our collective strength and create synergies that amplify our results. The AVPA membership launch event that we're just about to wrap up is a testament to our network's convening ability. It's a full room. As both the leading impact investing network and the only network in Africa that brings together social investors across the entire continuum of capital, of grants, debt, and equity. Amongst the main issues surfaced by practitioners in AVPA's 2020 landscape study was the need to break silos and promote genuine collaboration in the ecosystem. At AVPA, we believe that Africa's pressing challenges require the concerted efforts of the collective and not just individual entities. This belief forms the basis of one of our core values of genuine collaboration. It therefore gives me immense pleasure to see the Honorable Minister, represented by the DG of South Africa, with us here today. Governments are key partners in all development initiatives across the continent and should always be treated as a close ally. I think the DG made that point very, very succinctly. And therefore, we are very happy, therefore, that governments are not only important in creating an enabling environment for the impact space to grow and thrive, but also a key provider of risk and catalytic capital that will help crowd private capital into the impact space. And they have plenty of money, even though they have more problems than they have money. With this launch, we wish to communicate that our network is home to all of Africa's impact practitioners, social investors, as well as deployers of intellectual and human capital. Additionally, we wish to underscore the need for openness to solutions from outside Africa that AVPA is able to tap into through our global sister networks in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Allow me to extend our sincere gratitude to the partners who trusted us from when AVPA was just an idea and have backed us over the last 5 years to make this day and vision possible. The Rockefeller Foundation, Yellow Woods, the U.S. African Development Foundation, Oppenheimer Generations, and APSA, to name just a few, that bought into the AVPA mission and vision from the onset by putting some seed funding into our early activities. These early believers enabled the journey that has brought us here today. That has equally been made possible by the support of Ballerwood, Bayer Foundation, First Round Empowerment Fund, the University of Oxford Science School of Business, the African Development Bank, and most recently, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Last but not least, let me remind you that Africa's current challenges will not be solved by yesterday's solutions. We need to continuously innovate new solutions and scale proven models at speed and scale needed to accelerate Africa's sustainable development. This is your network, whose success will be driven by your input, innovation, and initiatives. And I believe that we can do more together than we can do on our own. We commit to supporting you in this impact journey. I would be remiss to finish my remarks before thanking the organizations that have brought us into our network's mission, that have brought into our network's mission and vision by signing as early members. Thank you, and a warm welcome to you all. I look forward to witnessing the incredible impact we are going to be making together as a network and ecosystem. Thank you very much.